The Kalvari Mount viewpoint is a popular spot in Kerala, India, known for its scenic views. It offers panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscape, including lush greenery and serene backwaters. Many visitors enjoy the tranquility and natural beauty of this location. If you are planning to visit, be sure to have your camera ready to capture the breathtaking views. Kalvari Mount, also known as Calvary Mount, is a popular tourist destination in Kerala, India. It's located near Idukki district. To reach Kalvari Mount, you can usually travel by road. You might want to consider hiring a taxi or using public transportation, like buses, from nearby towns or cities such as Idukki or Kathapana. Once you reach the general vicinity, locals or signs should guide you to the specific location. The main tourist attraction in Kalvari Mount is the Kalvari Mount viewpoint. From there, you can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, including the lush greenery and the valley below. It's a popular spot for visitors seeking natural beauty and scenic vistas. Kalvari Mount, also known as Calvary Mount, is a popular tourist destination in Idukki district, Kerala, India. It offers various activities and attractions such as 1. Scenic views. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Idukki Reservoir and surrounding lush greenery from the mountaintop. 2. Nature walks. Explore the serene surroundings with nature walks amidst the tranquil environment. 3. Photography. Capture stunning panoramic views and natural beauty through photography. 4. Religious visit. Visit the Mount Calvary Church located atop the mount for religious and spiritual experiences. 5. Picnicking. Pack a picnic and enjoy a relaxing day amidst nature with friends and family. 6. Bird watching. Spot a variety of bird species in the area, making it a paradise for bird watchers. 7. Trekking. Embark on short treks in the nearby trails to explore the natural beauty of the region. 8. Boating. Enjoy boating in the nearby Idukki Reservoir, offering a unique perspective of the surroundings. 9. Shopping. Explore local markets for souvenirs and handicrafts to take back home as mementos of your trip. 10. Cultural immersion. Immerse yourself in the local culture by interacting with the friendly residents and learning about their way of life. These activities offer a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural immersion for visitors to Kalvari Mount. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.